everyone, George from Zenhub here with another 2.5-minute tutorial. This tutorial covers planning poker in Zenhub. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can always get our latest videos. In our other videos, you've heard us say all estimates are wrong time and time again. So why do we have estimates in Zenhub then? Well, it comes down to this. Without estimates, you and your team have no way of showing your team of teams and your stakeholders that one GitHub issue is harder than the other. It turns out that team-based estimates are the best way to estimate. Planning poker helps you do just that. Let's see how this works in Zenhub. We've got the team together for backlog refinement and we've opened an issue. While the team reads the issue to understand what's involved, I'll start a planning poker round. Click on Add Members to Vote and I'm going to pick the team. Now, one by one, the team will vote. We'll see those lights light up and look at that, we agree. As a result, Zenhub will automatically apply the estimate to the issue. If we didn't agree, then Zenhub will show the votes and you and your team can work it out. This allows you and your team to stop debating things you agree on and focus in on the things that you're out of alignment on. So, if that's the case, wouldn't it be great if there was a way to do this asynchronously? So you're only bringing things to the team that you're out of alignment on? Well, there is. Watch this. All right, we'll go to the board. We're filtered by our team, so let's go to estimates and filter by issues with no estimates. Great, now let's pick these 5. Click Set Estimate, start Planning Poker, pick the team, and we're done. When they're available, my team will vote, and for those issues we're aligned on, Zenhub will automatically apply the estimate. So when we come together for backlog refinement, we'll only have to cover those issues that we're not aligned on. This saves us a ton of needless debate about things that we already agree on. You're gonna love it. Planning poker is the best way to do team-based estimates in GitHub. Give it a try. Simple, right? Yeah, it is. See you next time.